When you think about problems and solutions, many things can come to your mind, and there are many problems in the United States. Not everyone has the same views, and not everyone has the same values, so there are different things that people think about. One of these problems that people have is smoking. Smoking harms not only the smoker, but everyone around them too. Secondhand smoke is smoke inhaled involuntarily from tobacco being smoked by others. This is from dictionary.com. Smoking contributes to health issues in smokers and in other people, such as people that get secondhand smoke, and that's why it's a big problem. It is actually more harmful to the people that inhale the secondhand smoke than it is to the people that actually smoke the cigarettes. And smoking contributes to 443,000 deaths a year, and secondhand smoke alone contributes to 49,000 deaths a year. In 2011, 19% of adults and 16% of high school students smoked cigarettes, and that's from the National Cancer Institute. When we think about problems, to solve them, we have to find out why people do the harmful things that they do. So people smoke partly because of peer pressure. In a video called Molly's Story, Lung Cancer, from St. Francis Hospital on YouTube, talks about Molly's story and how she got started smoking and how it has affected her life. She got started smoking because of peer pressure, and she smoked with her friends. Teens also start smoking to look cool, to be accepted, because ads for cigarettes appeal to them, so they get started smoking, and the parent and adult influence. When your parents or adults around them smoke, they feel like it's the mature thing to do because adults are smoking, so they feel like they should too. The health risk that accompany smoking, which affect not only smokers but people around them that inhale it, whether they like it or not, from netdoctor.com, is lung cancer, which we see from Molly's Story again on YouTube. It affects not only them, but the people around them, like their children, having to deal with her having cancer and not knowing what's going on and not knowing what's going to happen to her and them. And nicotine increases cholesterol levels, carbon monoxide reduces oxygen, smoking raises blood pressure, causes fertility problems, and cardiovascular disease, which is the leading cause of death with smoking. And the things that cause these health problems are things in cigarettes like methanol in rocket fuel, paint, ammonia, which is in toilet cleaner, nicotine used in insecticides, hexamine used in barbecue lighters, cadmium in batteries, acetic acid in vinegar, and arsenic, which is used in poison. And that's from healingtalks.com. So to fix the problem of smoking and how it affects people, we need to come up with several solutions. Some solutions have already been come up with, like many states have bans on smoking in public, such as restaurants and shopping malls, which prevents the secondhand smoke. Canada has National Non-Smoking Week, which focuses on the education of smoking. This is from National Underwriter Life and Health magazine. U.S. could use this to make education programs for middle school and high school students, which would talk about the health risk and how it affects your life, to possibly get them not to smoke in the future. And also, the government has laws against buying drugs such as marijuana and heroin, so if they can make laws against those kind of drugs, then they can make laws against the purchasing and selling of cigarettes as well, because it is just as harmful to people as drugs are. Smoking is a big problem, and not everyone agrees on it, but it is harmful to others as well as people who do smoke. Many possible solutions include student education and ban on purchasing cigarettes, and also the ban on public smoking.